You filed your taxes and your refund came back smaller than you expected, or maybe you owe this year. Before you panic, here's what's actually going on. There are a handful of common reasons, and most of them aren't mistakes. Let's break it down. First, the thing almost nobody tells you. A tax refund is not a bonus, and it's not free money. It's a refund of tax you overpaid during the year. Money that was already yours. So a smaller refund often just means you overpaid less. One, and the biggest, your withholding changed. If you updated your W-4, started a new job, or got a raise, your employer may have taken less tax out of each paycheck. Less withheld during the year means a smaller refund at the end, even if nothing else changed. And this is the form that controls it, the W-4 you give your employer. Step 2 matters most. If you work more than one job, or you and your spouse both work, each job withholds as if it's your only income. So not enough comes out overall. Reason 2, income with no tax taken out. A side gig or 1099 work, gig app income, interest and investment income, or unemployment. These are all taxable, but usually nothing is withheld. That extra tax comes straight out of your refund. Reason 3 is closely related. 2 incomes. Whether it's a second job or both spouses working, each employer only withholds based on that one paycheck. Add them together, and you can land in a higher bracket with too little withheld. Reason 4, a credit got smaller or went away. The child tax credit, up to $2,200, drops to the $500 credit for other dependents the year your child turns 17. Dependents age out, education credits end after school, and the earned income credit shrinks as your income rises. Reason 5, a refund offset. If you owe certain past due debts, the Treasury can take part or all of your refund before it ever reaches you, and send you a notice. That includes back federal or state taxes and past due child support. Defaulted federal student loans can too, though that's been paused and is expected to resume. And reason 6, life changes. Getting married, getting divorced, or a dependent leaving the household all change your tax picture. Sometimes by a lot. Marriage especially can surprise 2 earners who were each withholding as singles. So how do you fix it? Check your withholding. The free IRS Withholding Estimator tells you whether to adjust your W-4, and Step 4C lets you have a little extra taken out. The real goal isn't a giant refund. It's to come out close to zero, so you keep your money all year and aren't surprised in April. One quick note on who makes this. The tax breakdown is prepared by a tax accountant with over 15 years of public accounting experience, so the rules you're hearing are checked against the IRS sources. Always educational, never advice for your specific situation. The bottom line, a smaller refund usually isn't a mistake. It's your withholding, extra income, a change credit, or an offset. Check your W-4, run the estimator, and aim to break even. This is general education, not tax advice, so check with a pro about your situation. Subscribe to the Tax Breakdown for tax rules in plain English.